I thought I would do a video tutorial on how to install this screen protector. This is my second time buying this. It's a 2-pack of screen protectors, and ironically I bought it, put the screen protector on my phone, and then I had to get a new phone. So I had to get some more screen protectors. So I thought I would show you how easy it is to use. This is not the first brand of screen protector I have used, but it seems like it's the one that went on the best for me. So let's give it a whirl. So when it comes, it has 2 screen protectors in here. So there's the actual screen protector, and then here is the stuff to install it. But you get 2. So I'm going to save these for my husband, who has the same kind of phone as me. This is actually a tempered glass protector, and it is really glass. And I know that it's really glass because with my phone that I just had to trade in that had the original set of these on, I thought, I'll try to pull it off and see if I can reuse it on this phone. Well, the second I tried to start lifting it off, it shattered. Now, when I say shattered, I don't mean like it broke into a million pieces, meaning that it just cracked. It stayed in one piece, but it actually cracked, and it looked just like glass. It's just a very thin type of glass. So the first thing that you do, you'll be reading the directions, but it's going to tell you to get into this pack, and you get the cloth and you wipe it down with the cloth. So that's the first thing you do. The second thing you do, I've already kind of gone ahead and done some of these things, so I'm just going to go over it again. The thought occurred to me while I was doing this, hey, I should make a video on it. So the next thing you do after you get this all clean, and really just take your time with it and make sure that you have it clean, because if your screen has any speck of dust or anything on it, this is not going to work well and you're going to be unhappy because you're going to get bubbles. Okay, so you've used this. Now you use this blue sticker, and this is a dust remover. And so it's kind of like a stick. It's not exactly a sticker, and this just pulls up dust. And I don't know if this is the right technique that I'm using, but we're going to go with that. Okay. My screen looks pretty darn clean. So the next thing you do is there's a white piece of paper here, and it has 2 stickers on it, which I have already applied to the glass. So here's your tempered glass screen, and I applied a sticker at the lower left and the upper right. There's already a sticker up here on the left side on the top, and this sticker is the one that you're going to peel off, and that peels off the backing for this, so it's going to stick to the phone, if that makes sense. I hope it does. So what these tabs are doing is once you peel off this red sticker, you're going to hold the screen by these 2, and that's what you're going to position it with, so you can get a good you can get it placed correctly on your phone. So I'm going to do it right now, and hopefully it will go right this time, just like it did last time for me. So I'm peeling off the protective back. Do not touch this back. You want everything to stay perfectly clean. So I've got, okay, so now I'm holding it by the 2 tabs, and I'm going to position it. You only get one shot at this. Oh boy. Now, I do want to say that it doesn't go like edge to edge. So there is a what do I want to say? There, I mean, there is a gap where it doesn't go over the white places on the side. Do you see how it's kind of like sticking now? Do you see that, how it's going? That's normal, and that means I did a good job. Okay, so now I have just tiny, tiny, tiny bit of bubbles. And normally, sometimes they give you like a credit card thing to push those out. They didn't give me one, so I'm just gonna happen to have this thing of Post-it notes. I'm gonna see if I can push those bubbles out. And oh, yes, I can. Perfect. Okay, so now your screen is adhered. There is 0 bubbles. Then you just carefully peel off that, and you're done. It's beautiful. Love it.